In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Sweatcoin app to the latest version. By updating Sweatcoin app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with your app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to update your app, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go and look for this app called Play Store. And then from here, you can now, using this search bar or the search icon here, tap on it and then just search for your app by its name. So I'll go ahead and search like this. And to search, just tap on this search icon and this will take you to Play Store where you can see Sweatcoin app. If you tap on it, you can see we have an update. This means I've been using an outdated version that might be vulnerable to bugs and I might be missing out on the latest features. To update it, go ahead and tap on update and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Sweatcoin app walking step counter app and then install it on your Android smartphone. Now, once this has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Sweatcoin app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.